Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Claude AI with Slack. First, open Claude AI in your browser and sign in to your account. Make sure you are using the correct account where you want to set up the connection. Once you are logged in, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This will open a small menu with different options. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage different features of Claude. Now, look for the option labeled Connectors. Click on it to open the Connectors section. This is where you can link Claude with other tools like Slack. Next, click on Browse Connectors. You will see a list or a search bar where you can find available integrations. In the search bar, type Slack. When Slack appears in the results, click on the plus icon next to it to start the connection process. After that, you will be asked to enter your Slack workspace name. Type it carefully, then continue to the next step. Slack will now ask you to sign in if you are not already logged in. Enter your details and continue. Once everything is approved, Claude AI will be connected to your Slack workspace and ready to use. Thanks for watching.